In this video, we'll go over the VCBA S2's features for working with test plans. A test plan comprises a circuit breaker's performance specifications such as stroke, velocity, and contact times and can be used to quickly test a breaker. Also, a pass-fail report can be generated that compares the actual performance of the breaker with the specifications in the test plan. If you already have a test record, you can export its plan for future use. First, open the test record by clicking on the Open icon in the Test command group. After you've opened the test record, click on the Test Plan icon in the View command group to go over the record's test plan parameters. You can make changes to the test plan as needed. For example, you can change the open and close contact times to the values appropriate for your breaker. You can also specify whether there is a resistor or not. If you would like to compare the breaker's actual performance with the values specified in the timing plan, check the Enable Pass-Fail Check checkbox. You can also configure the graph colors to be used by clicking on the Color Setup button. Additionally, you can configure the graph pages and what items should be displayed on each graph page by clicking on the Channel Display button. Once you've made any necessary changes, click on the Apply Changes button. Now click on the Export Plan icon in the Test Plan command group. You can export the test plan to a folder on your hard drive or to a USB thumb drive connected to your computer. If exporting to a thumb drive, the test plan can then be easily transferred to a compatible Vanguard circuit breaker analyzer that offers a USB thumb drive interface. For our first example, we will export the test plan to a folder on our computer, so click on the Export to File System button. The top section shows the folder where the test plan will be saved to. You can change this location by clicking on the folder icon to the right. Enter a file name for the test plan in the File Name field and then click on the OK button. The test plan will be saved in the folder specified. Now, let's export the test plan to a USB flash drive. Click on the Export Plan icon again and then click on the Export to Thumb Drive button. Select your thumb drive from the drop-down menu, and then from the Device Type drop-down select your Vanguard Circuit Breaker Analyzer model, and then click on the OK button. The test plan will be saved to the thumb drive. If you'd like to create a test plan from scratch, click on the New icon in the Test Plan command group. When you create a new test plan, the VCBA S2 software uses the values from the default test plan specified in the application settings as the starting point for the new test plan. Make any necessary changes to the test plan as we did when exporting a test plan from a test record and then click on the Save Changes button. The top section of this window shows the location where the test plan will be saved to. You can select a different location by clicking on the folder icon to the right. Enter a file name in the File Name field and then click on the OK button. You can also modify an existing test plan by clicking on the Modify Plan icon in the Test Plan command group. The top section of this window shows the location where to load the test plan from. You can select a different folder by clicking on the folder icon to the right. Select the test plan you would like to modify and then click on the OK button. Make any necessary changes to the test plan and then click on the Save Changes button. Enter a file name in the File Name field and then click on the OK button. Test plans can also be retrieved from a connected Vanguard Circuit Breaker Analyzer. To retrieve a test plan from a breaker analyzer, click on the Download from Device icon in the Test Plan command group. A directory of test plans stored in the circuit breaker analyzer's memory will be displayed. The top section of this window shows the folder where the test plans will be saved to. You can change this location by clicking on the folder icon to the right. Select one or more test plans by clicking on the first test plan and then control-clicking on subsequent test plans. Enter a unique identifier prefix in the File Prefix Input field. When the test plan is stored on the computer, the file name will be the prefix followed by the test plan number from the breaker's memory location. Now, click on the Download Test button to download the test plans to the selected location on your computer. You can also transfer test plans from your computer to a connected Vanguard Circuit Breaker Analyzer by clicking on the Upload to Device icon in the Test Plan command group. Select the test plans you would like to transfer and then click on the OK button. This window displays any test plans that are currently stored in the circuit breaker analyzer's memory. If you would like to overwrite one of these with the test plan being transferred, click on the test plan number. If you do not want to overwrite any existing test plans, do not select any items from this list and just click on the OK button. The test plan will be stored in the next available memory location on the connected unit.